Architects, builders, and homeowners look for two things when choosing their materials: the best-looking products available at the lowest overall cost. TruWood's cottage lap siding and TruWood's self-aligning lap siding bring the high-quality appearance of natural wood siding together with quick and easy installation that ultimately saves you time and money. TruWood siding products go up about twice as fast as traditional fiber cement siding. In the same amount of time it takes to side one house with 8¼ inch fiber cement lap siding, 2½ houses would be completed with our 5-inch cottage lap, as demonstrated in the upper left-hand video. Our 8-inch self-aligning lap in the upper right would side 1¾ of a house in that same amount of time. And the faster your work gets done, the better it is for your bottom line. The unique self-aligning design makes installation of the TruWood lap system simple and intuitive, requires no special tools, and goes up twice as fast as other siding products. With our 16-foot lap compared to the 12-foot fiber cement siding, TruWood covers a third more surface area with every piece. Longer lap also makes for fewer unsightly butt joints, and as a result, less work caulking. Also unique are TruWood's strides toward greener building products. TruWood sidings are third-party certified by scientific certification systems for recycled material content and are also available FSC certified. These building products were created with your bottom line and the environment in mind. Great-looking materials, simple installation without specialized tools, lower labor costs, and a greener product choice. TruWood siding is the complete answer to all your building projects. Learn more about all the benefits of TruWood siding and our full line of products at www.truwoodsiding.com or call one of our representatives at 1-800-417-3674.